I'm going to win this. I mean, come on, kids don't even know the real meaning of music. I mean, all that pop, techno. I mean, come on, Rihanna, come on, Unana, Lemonade, Unana, it's all fake. When I win this, I'm going to bring all kids the true meaning of music for Christmas. I'm going to bring them their own guitar, come on, all drums, and I'm going to bring them all records of the best guitarists and drum players ever. Black Sabbath, Metallica, Motorhead, come on, that's real music.
We think Jack should be the new Santa. I can remember one time he came to school dressed as Santa. Jack should win it.
Yeah, Jack should win it. Jack, win it, it's your dream.
Mentoring Jack has been amazing. Forget Santa Claus, it's all about Rock Santa. He's the next Santa of the future. Come on, Jack, win it for me.
Hello, my name is Zubaida, and I really wanted to win this competition, Britain's Got Santa. When I was 3 years old, I get to sing to my whole family, and my family loved it. They keep on saying that to me, you should go to Britain's Got Santa. And I really decided, I said, yes, I'm going to go to Britain's Got Santa. So I decided to sing to year 7s, and maybe I will sing to year 8s, 9s, 10s and 11s, like to hold just yes. So I hope I will win this competition. Good luck for me. Bye.
Ever since she was little, she wanted to be Santa. She used to stuff as many pillows up her top as she could, and she always used to wear red.
Exactly, you should really vote for her.
Yeah, we need a new female Santa, and I love Christmas, and if Zubaida is the new Santa, then Christmas would be the best time of the year for me.
Mentoring Zubaida has been a pleasure. She's been good with her vocals, and we need a new female Santa. Vote for her now, so pick up the phone.
I want to be Santa because if I win, I'll make sure everyone's angry, first of all. Second of all, I'll make sure all the toys are gone. Third of all, I like to be happy when people are angry. Third of all, my brother's gone. He's terrorising every other kid in other schools and making sure that they're not happy. That's why I think I should be Santa.
Grinch should win Britain's Got Santas. His dad, even though he was really mean then, he had a soft side in him, and this little girl helped him. So pick up your phones and vote for the Grinch now.